Hi guys, I was actually helping out my niece today, as well as that I'm helping out with Zahara. But all of you to know, just because a child goes from their belly to their back doesn't mean it's rolling over. And I really want to clarify what rolling over is. We have the rolling over course. Rolling over should happen around 2.5 to 3 months, not 6 months, not 8 months, not. It's just a milestone that happens. So it should look like, and I'm a big baby today, is that a child is here in tummy time. Now, tummy time should be able to go down to the head and move this, and it's my nose here that goes from side to side. What does that start doing? All my knees, my hands, I start really going into a pre-crawl. This is why tummy time is so important, right? But I start to do that and everything gets centered off. Some people look at the midline. I'm really big on the pubic bone strike because that starts setting up your horizontal movements and eventually going into vertical. So when a child is looking to start rolling over, they actually don't start belly to go back, right? Because someone put them in on tummy time, okay? And what was being posted today, what you'll see more so, and I call this a heavy head, is the heavy head comes over like this, and it gets to a point and it literally yanks the baby over. And this is what the video says, yeah, you've rolled over. No, you didn't. Okay, rolling over really starts off from the tummy. Now, first of all, I would not be laying down here. Another big warning, you should not see the baby's head go away from the pubic bone. So when a baby's like this, right, a baby is actually here, and they're playing and they're doing these things, right? And then, ooh, I see something, right? And I literally go to reach for it. Now, baby doesn't know that the phone right now is 8 feet away. And so it goes like this, and voila, I have rolling over. First of all, I did not fall to my belly, I rolled. Okay, what that rolling allows me to do too now, and now to get away, I can still be here and just lightly roll. I did not fall. Why is that important? Because now I can just do this, and I can be in a continuous, right? And that's what rolling over is with the baby as they get around. But what you're seeing a lot is this. And now I start doing this kind of stuff. And then I'm here, and then I'm here, and my leg's going over, and my leg's going over, and my head does this top wobble, and I'm here. Okay, why is that not a milestone? First of all, my eye doesn't stay on the prize. When I'm rolling over like this, and even this, I can do that. See how I can just keep an eye on you guys? And I can stop and start whenever I want. When I do something like this, and see, now that's looking at you anymore. And now you see the arms start to splay up. The feet start to go up, that's one big warning. But my back is not crossing midline, it's not engaged. And so now my head hits first. But see where my head is to my pubic bone? I'm completely off. Now I've committed. I don't have a choice. I'm gonna fall. When I'm rolling over, I can say, oh, and then I can go, oh, I can play here and do all this. I can stop and start whenever I want. Those are the qualities in rolling over that you're looking for. So falling out of position is not rolling over, right? And so that's what you're trying to see. I know we all want locomotion on our babies, but there's a quality to it. Just like in fine wine, from driving a car, I get it, you can have a car that gets from here to Walmart, right? But it's the qualities. Why is that important? Because now I'm here, I've learned, and now I can start grabbing my feet, right? And now eventually, I can just sit up. And that's why they're rolling or rotational milestones, because they can go in and out of the position using rotational movements. Independent sitting too starts first, but again, it's not this. See where my hands are? I get this, all of this, right? And or please don't prop the baby. They're like about here, halfway folded over, and what happens? At some point, I'm going to fall. Boom. You can get away with this when you are 5 months old. I'm 58, it's a long way down, right? So coming up, when you're here, so what sitting should look like is this independent. I can start looking around. This is where the head starts to change from the pubic bone, and I should be able to take an object from here to here. We pay a lot of money to do this in the gym, our Russian twist, to work on our abs. That's not what a baby is doing. Once they have that, and then they will start coming from here, and again to look at you, and that's where you have independent sitting. That happens around 6 months. But also too, if a child's head's too heavy, and I tell you this, guys, all the time, and here it is. If my eyes are back here away from this, first of all, I'm not gonna play. I don't see my feet, right? My eyes are, I can have all the muscles in the world, even me, there's no way I can sit up right now. It's just when the eyes are away from the prize, and this is where when there's problems with vertical and walking and all that, and I'm going vision, vision, vision. Yes, right now my eyes are fine, they're not functioning. So all I have to do is change my eyes from back here to here, I get right up. And I don't need the muscle strength that people think. But when the vision is not attached to the milestone, and that's why I always say, if you improve the vision, you improve every movement on the body. But when the vision's not attached to the milestone can almost be impossible to achieve. Right? Again, same thing too, where you see babies do this. See my eyes go away from it. I have no choice, I'm gonna fall. This is not a vestibular. Even here, where am I gonna put my arms to stop the fall? You know what I mean? You know, this isn't a Victoria's Secret pose. The baby's just gonna go here and they're gonna fall down, right, and splay. So, keep your eyes on the prize, but really that foundation of rolling over has to be where it's continuous movement, not from the belly to the back. Now, that's why I did the book, guys. Get the book. But more so, the free Super Baby Boot Camp and the Movement Lesson Boot Camp, they're free, starting this weekend for 1 week. Everybody can have access to it, guys. But we need to just help our babies move better. It's not about diagnosis. It's not about what's wrong with them. Yes, your baby still might need medical intervention. This is about baby movements. And so let's get on it. See you on Friday. Bye.